quadratic equation, what I'm going to first want to do is get these to the same side and set it equal to 0. And now, if it is factorable, I can apply the zero product property, because basically what factoring is allowing me to do is to rewrite this equation, or rewrite the expression as a product, and then I'll have a product equal to 0, which will become very important. Okay, so if this trinomial is factorable, that means I can break it up into a product of two binomials. All right, now I need to know what's going to multiply to give me a 6w squared. Now, most students will kind of look at this as like a 3w and a 2w, right? Because wouldn't you agree that 3w times 2w gives you a 6w squared? And then the last two numbers are going to multiply to give us a -5. Now, the issue here is they only are going to have they're going to multiply to give us a -5, but then my middle terms, this 2w times this one and this, is going to add to give me a -1. And if you kind of think about this, it doesn't matter if you put a 1 here or a 5 there or a 5 here and a 1 there. You're never going to get a difference of -1. It's just not going to work. So what I'm going to do is say, all right, well then let's try 6w. And then this would just be a positive w, okay, equals 0. And now if I want to get to a -5, I want to see, like, where am I trying to find this difference? And I say, well, you know what? If I put let's say a positive 5 here and a -1 there, that's going to work, right? Because again, this 6w times 6w is a 6w squared. 5 times -1 is going to give me the -5 that I need. And then this needs to give me a difference. When I multiply and add these together, I need to get a difference of a -1. And look what we have. We have 5w times -6w, which equals -1. So it works out. So we're good. So now what can we do when we have this product equal to 0? Right? Well, we have both of these products equal to 0. What we can do is we'll call the zero product property and just set these both equal to 0. Okay, and therefore you can do subtract 5. So you'd have 6w equals a -5. Divide by 6, w equals a -5/6. And then here we'll add 1 to both sides and w equals 1. And there you go.